welcome to Mathematics. I am Biswajit, your math educator. Today we continue from question number 11 of probability. So friends, let us start. A number is selected at random from the first 50 natural numbers. Find the probability that it is a multiple of 3 and 4. Number is selected 50 natural numbers from 1 to 50 given natural numbers. Find the probability that it is a multiple of 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 means it is a multiple of 3 into 4, that is 12. The numbers we select will be the multiple of 12. So how to find? So here you see from 1 to 50, first is 12, second 12 into 2, 24, 3, 36, 4, 48, 5 to 6, 60, more than 50. So you take these 4 numbers. So probability of an event here is, it is favorable outcome 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by total outcome, that is 1 to 50, there are 50 numbers. So that is 2 by 25. That is the question number 12. Cards numbered from 11 to 60 are kept in a box. If a card is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that the number on the drawn card is odd number, perfect square, divisible by 5, a prime number less than 20. So you see 11 to 60, how many numbers are there? If we write list it 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like this up to 60, how many numbers are there? How to find? You see, let this number, if you take n and this number m, then how many numbers? There is a formula n minus m plus 1. So here n is 60 minus 11 plus 1, that equal to 50. So total 11 to 60, there are 50 numbers. If a card drawn at random from the box, find the probability that the drawn card is odd number. Then you first find the odd number. You see 11 to 60, there are 50 numbers. Odd numbers, first here is odd and last is even. So directly we can find 50 divided by 2, that is 25 odd numbers and 25 even numbers. Otherwise you can count it or list it. You see 25 odd numbers are there. So we have to find the probability. P, any event, P of E is equal to odd number 25 by 50. Total number is 50. So it is 1 by 2. Second is a perfect square. You see 11 is not a perfect square. So next number perfect square is 60 and 16 is 4 square equal to 16. Similarly 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64. But 64 is more than 60. So we take these 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The perfect square, so we can write probability of an event even you can write 4 by 50 is equal to 2 by 25. Then next, divisible by 5. You see this is not divisible by 5. So divisible by 5 starts from 15. So 15, then 15 3s are, sorry 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 30, 35, 40, 45, we list it 60. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10. So probability will be, if we write E2, probability will be 10 by 50, that equal to 1 by 5. Next, a prime number less than 20. Less than 20, if we write 18, 19, 20, less than 20, prime number is, this one is a prime number, this one is a prime number, this is not prime, this is odd, this one is prime and this one is prime. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability event is equal to 4 by 50, that equal to 2 by 25. So 13, clear? Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability that 5 will not come up on either of them? 5 will come up on at least one, 5 will come up at both dice. You see, two dice throw. Two dice throw means first we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dice, you know. Faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of outcome we can write total number of outcomes 6 into 6, that is at 36. Okay, 5 will not come up on either of them. 5. So 5 related we can write. We write 5 1 is a pair. 5 will come. 5 2. 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Similarly, 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5. But 5 5, don't repeat it, got it. Here 5 will come up. Question is, 5 will not come up on either of them. So, question number, you can find total is 36. You see, here 5 will come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here 5, 6. Oh, 6, 5. 6, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total is 11. Where 5 will come up. Total is 36, so we can write 36 minus 11. So 25 pairs are there where 5 will not come on either of them. Then the probability of event is equal to 25 favorable outcome by total number of outcome. That is the answer. First. Second, you see, 5 will come up at least once. So 5 will come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 5 will come at least 1. The probability of event is equal to 11 by 36. Next, 5 will come up at both dice. Both dice 5 will come. You see, this one is both dice. 5 will come, 5 and 5. The probability of event is equal to 1 by 36. Okay, a bag contains 6 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball from the bag is twice that of a red ball, find the number of blue balls in the bag. You see, in a bag, red balls and blue balls are there. Okay, 6 red balls and some blue balls. Let the blue ball be X. So total equal to 6 plus X. The total number of outcomes 6 plus X. If the probability of drawing a blue ball, so blue ball probability will be X by total, X by 6 plus X. Blue ball from the bag is twice that of red ball. So red ball probability first. A red ball probability is 6 by 6 plus X. According to question, drawing a blue ball probability is twice the red ball. So according to question, X by 6 plus X, or you can write PB is equal to 2 into PR. That implies PB X by 6 plus X is equal to 2 into 6 by 6 plus x. You see, cancel 6 plus x, 6 plus x. So x equal to 12. That is the answer. Find the number of blue balls. X equal to 12. Okay. Next. What is the probability? Question number 15. What is the probability that a leap year has 53 Tuesdays and 53 Mondays? You see, we know that in a leap year there are 366 days. Okay. 1 week 7 days, so there will be 52 weeks in a year. It is 364. We subtract 364 here, so we get 2 days left. And these 2 days we have to choose what? Tuesdays and Monday. Tuesday and Monday. If we start the pair Monday, these 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, that will be a pair. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then Sunday, Monday. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pairs are here. We have to find Tuesdays and Mondays. Monday, Tuesday and Monday. One only, Tuesday and. So probability of event will be 1 by, total is very 7. So 1 by 7 is the answer. But you see here, if questions is Tuesdays or Mondays, Tuesdays or Mondays means we can take this one and this one. 1, 2, 3. That will be 3 by 7. Or but here and given Tuesdays and Mondays. You take Monday and Tuesdays. Okay. So 1 by 7 is the answer.